Alright, let's talk about something that feels a little bit like magic. How do you take a pile of metal, plastic, and wires and turn it into a machine that can actually think? Something that can react, move on its own, and navigate the world. Well, today we are going to pull back the curtain on the engineering that makes all of that possible. So let's really get down to it. Picture this. You have got a bunch of parts, wheels, chases, a few motors, a circuit board. How in the world do you get them to work together? I mean, how do you make them not just sit there but actually move around, dodge things, and make their own decisions? It feels like a massive jump from box of parts to smart machine, doesn't it? Well, believe it or not, the answer has a name. It is this really cool, powerful field of engineering called Mechatronics. And this little robot car you are looking at, it is the perfect example of Mechatronics in action. See, the whole point isn't just about a car together, it is about making that car smart. Okay, so let's dig into that. Mechatronics, you have probably heard the term thrown around, but what does it really mean? Because it is way more than just a fancy buzzword for robotics. It is actually a whole philosophy of design, a totally different way of thinking about how we build things. So, as it is here, mechatronics is all about one thing's integration. See, the old way of doing things was, well, kind of siloed. You'd have the mechanical engineers build the body of a machines and they'd basically toss it over a while to the electrical team. Then they do their thing and passes it on to the software folks. The result, usually something clunky and inefficient. Mechatronics just flips that whole idea on its head. It says, nope, that's not going to work. Inside, you have to design everything. The body, the nerves, the brain has own single unified system right from the get-go, and you can really break it down into these three main pillars. Think of it like this. First, you have the machines. That's the physical stuff, the skeleton and the muscles of our robot. Then you have got the electrical system. These are like the nerves and the sense carrying all the power and information. And finally, the most important part, programming. That the brain, the thing that actually makes the decisions. The key thing to remember is that you absolutely need all three.